welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make this chainless foundation double crochet row. For this you need yarn of your choice. I'm using 100% cotton yarn and a hook. I'm using a 3mm hook. So to begin with, we're first going to make a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, I have a separate detailed video for the same. I'll be linking it in the description box below. So once we're done making a slip knot, we are now going to chain 4. So we are going to make a foundation chainless double crochet row. For that we're going to chain 4 first. And now we are going to yarn over and insert a hook in the very first chain. And now we are going to yarn over, pull through. We'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We are going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop first. Again we'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now these are our 2 double crochets, and now we're going to continue doing this. We're going to yarn over, insert a hook in the very first chain, yarn over, pull through. We'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop. So this makes our chain. And now we yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert in the very first stitch. Like that. Now we're going to yarn over, pull through. We'll have 3 loops on a hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop. That's our chain. Now we'll make a double crochet by yarn over and pulling through 2 loops and 2 loops. Now I'm just going to continue doing this and I'll see you at the end. So this is how our row should look like. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!